What is going on, everybody? It is Nice Pants Lance. I am here to bring you another dad bod 0 to 60. That's right, it's your average Joe here. I'm going to give you a little acceleration video to see how fast this beautiful Kawasaki Vulcan S 650 can do 0 to 60. I'm going to stop yapping and get on this thing. It's got a Delkevic exhaust on it, so it sounds beautiful. Nice. Oh, alrighty. Dude, that was awesome. I freaking picked it up in first gear. This thing definitely rips for a 650. So let's see what we got. That was pretty good. Let's try it again. This time it's a little uphill. Nice. All right, let's see if I can get an even better launch out of it. Oh my God. Woo! Oh yeah. You saw that? I just popped a little wheelie with this thing. It's only a 650 on a cruiser. This bike rocks. Damn, folks. All right, let's give it one more 0 to 60. Let's see what I can do here, and we'll call it a day because we got some dark clouds rolling overhead. Damn. Well, I definitely launched that a little better than my Speed Twin. So if you enjoyed that video, please throw a like on there. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to ride safe out there and stay healthy. Later.